Hello everyone and welcome back. This is going to be the video for your first assignment in week 3. You're going to make a small program that I'm going to call JS Stalker. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to ask the user for information and then basically spit that information out back at them. So let me refresh this page so you can see it. It just does a series of prompts. What's your first name? Josh. What's your last name? Bastean. How old are you? 34. Your full name is Josh Bastean. You are 34 years old. That's all it does. It takes in a first name, takes in a last name, and then takes in an age, and then spits that back out as a string, formatted in a way that looks like that. For this assignment, you're going to create a HTML boilerplate, and all you're going to do in there, you're not going to put any HTML other than to change the title, and then add the link to your file. If you don't remember how to link things, go back and view video, I want to say it's 3.8, about using external JavaScript files, and then you can link it in there. And then you're going to create a JavaScript file that simply does these 4 things. You're going to declare all your variables asking for user input. If you don't quite remember how to do that, go back and review prompt video. I want to say that's 3.7. And you're going to use prompts to ask for input. Then you're going to create your sentence and save it to a new variable. Remember that you can concatenate strings together. So if I have my first name variable, I can add plus space plus space plus last name. That way you get a space between first name and last name, so you can play around with that a little bit. Your other option, I haven't talked about this, but your other option would be to look up JavaScript string templates. Let's pull in a window real quick and look at that. JS string templates. Look at the MDN docs. And you can have all kinds of different things in here. I'm not really going to talk about this. It's a cool thing for you to look at. I highly recommend it, but it's kind of outside the scope of what we're going for here. So if you want, you can look up the string templates, or you can just concatenate the strings together. You're going to log the variable sentence to the console, and you're also going to alert that sentence to the user. So remember, alert, then you put your string here. The best thing you can do, in my opinion, would be to create your string up here. So maybe const sentence equals, and then concatenate your string together, and then here alert sentence, and then log your sentence here. So that is what you are doing. If you have any questions about any of that, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.